Welcome back. So this is part 2 of the 7.5/10.2 lesson. Make sure you watch part 1 because it broke down the essentials of this lesson. So we are breaking down radicals into their primes, and we're looking for sets so that we can simplify each radical. We've already done questions 1 through 4 in the first video and discuss the strategy that we're using. So again, if you haven't watched the part 1 video, go back. Okay, let's check out question 5. So we're on question 5 here. So here we are right here, question 5. So our first step when simplifying a radical is to use a factor tree and break it down. So we're thinking of two numbers that multiply to give us 32. Now you can use 8 and 4, you could use 10, 2 and 16. They're gonna get you to the same destination, I promise. So I thought of 8 and 4 first. I gotta keep going, but neither one of these is a prime number. They are composite. That means they still break down. I'm done. As soon as you get to a prime, a number that you can only multiply 2 by 2 times 1. If the other number is a 1, then you know you hit a prime. Like 17 times 1 are the only two numbers that give you 17. So 17 is a prime. 13 times 1 lets you know that 13 is a prime because nothing gives you 13 but 13 times 1. So we're done. I circled them so that my brain can see that because I'm such a visual learner, like many of you. Here we have 2 and 4 prime and 2 and 2. Nice. Okay, so 32 is the same thing as saying 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Nice, let's do that. So 32, first thing I do is rewrite it as a set of primes. I know that my root is 2, aka I'm looking for sets of 2 to leave this radical party. Okay, so you guys can leave because there's a identical set of you. 2 identical things, boom, 1 set left. I see another set that can leave. When you have a double set, you multiply them on the outside. That kid can't leave. He's a single 2, and this is saying I'm looking for sets of numbers. 2 of the same thing can leave together. So I have a 4 on the outside and a 2 left on the inside. That's your final answer, because 2 times 2 is 4, and the 2 there. And you can leave the root alone if you'd like. Next, let's look at 50. So you're gonna break down 50. I'm gonna do it real quick. 2 and 25, and 5 and 5. 2 times 5 times 5. I'm looking for sets of 2. Bloop. Final answer, 5 rad 2. Nice. 5 on the outside because we found a pair of them, and a 2 left on the inside because, well, he had no friends to leave with. Okay, so 5 and 6. Now we're at the next level of difficulty. Notice that 1 through 6 were just plain old numbers, and now we're getting into numbers and letters. So does that add another teensy level of challenge? Yeah, but that's okay. We can do that. Okay, so I'm going to scooch this up. We're going to start at 7 and 8. Cool. I forgot to grab a towel to erase. Let me grab that real quick. Okay, cool beans. All right, so we have question number 7. So let's break it down. 16 breaks down to be 4 and 4, and 2 and 2, and 2 and 2. But we got some letters in there. Nice. So let's expand this puppy. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. And we have 2 B's. Nice. We're still looking for sets of 2. So you're looking for 2 people to leave that look exactly the same. What does that look like? I went to grab a different color to make this a little bit more inviting. There's a 2-pack. There's a 2-pack. And there's a, well, that's weird. Everybody's leaving the party. You're leaving, and you're leaving. Is there anybody left inside? Nope. So that means that your radical disappears because everybody's outside the party right now. So the final answer would be 2 times 2 is 4, and 4B. 4B. And you will not have a radical on your answer. Why? Because everybody left the radical. Let's try 80. So 8 and 10, 2 and 5, 2 and 4, and 2 and 2. So 80 breaks down to be 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. And then we have a single M. Don't forget M. 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, and a M. Perfect. I'm looking for sets of 2. There's 1. There's 2. Can I take the 5 out? Does he have a friend? Mm-mm. Can I take the M out? Does he have a friend? Mm-mm. So we have 2 times 2 on the outside, which is 4, and we have 5M left on the inside. Now the top of that radical should go all the way over. It shouldn't be a short one, because now it looks like M is outside, okay? So there we go. Come back for the next video, and I'll start on the next piece. Thank you.